Homer Rotas. Homer Aram. Alaikum salam. Oynasız mı bro? Oynasız bağlı. 지금 니팀 록다 했네. Авторский Телефонда стрим было, да. Интернет еще oluyor bro. Next round. Everyone gusto.
Hello and welcome to everybody. It's an absolute thrill to welcome you to this day one clash, and no day, of course, engenders hope or optimism more than this one. Optimism which could dissipate at a rate most alarming or last all the way to the latter stages. We shall see. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. He's found the way through. Bernardo Silva. Barella defending his corner stubbornly. Stood up very well to his man. Sends it crossfield. And that's put paid to a promising move. Chiesa. Rafael Leao. Smartly reclaimed. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. No, that's been intercepted. Who do you, Jim, see making the difference here?
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo. I don't think there's any doubt he's one of the best around, Peter. Probably one of the best ever. He's an incredible physical specimen and a phenomenal goal scorer. You can't question his commitment and determination either. He's always in peak condition and he'll adapt his game to whatever role is requested of him. I think he's going to have a huge impact on this team.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Chiesa. He'll try from distance. Great effort, beautifully taken.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate.
And the shot! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders.
Really got in the face of his opponent to set it up. It's great grafting.
DiMarco picks it up from the goal kick. He's got away. Fratesi. And it's Bernardo Silva. Portugal so far providing no real test at all for the goalkeeper. Zaccagni plays it in. João Palhinha. Bernardo Silva. Spread out to the left.
Well, it's a move of great...
Rafael Leao! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Yeah, you can't blame him for trying, but that looked a little forced.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Rafael Leao. And there's green grass ahead of him. He is through. Can he put it away? Quick ball upfield.
Siz futbolun telefon vereceğiz mi? Counter vereceğiz mi sizce?
And here's Cristiano
Endi hozir counter
Ronaldo.
ikkovi de bor-da, biroq.
Fratesi. The muscular approach does pay off here. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Now it's Chiesa. Oh, Raspadori! Bernardo Silva. Speculative strike. That's got him rattled. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Bernardo Silva.
Bayağı kıymetli.
Oh, that's a key interception.
Oh, really well played.
João Palhinha.
Palhinha.
Time. Excellent interception. Rafael Leao. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
That's killing cheeky.
There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
Oh, missed a good one.
Antonio Silva. Could be danger here. And he's got the beating of his man. Big chance, must be. Picked out, he's had a hit. Goal, Italy! And Italy score first. What a moment of brilliance. Control and perfect accuracy.
Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
So we have our breakthrough.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Great position here. Now the finish! Oh, the ball's run loose here. A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Really was just waiting to pounce on any slip-up, and he was gifted a chance.
Italy with the corner. They're first. Great leap! He can pounce on that. No mistake! A quite incredible spell. They are flying. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well read, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
Things starting to look very That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee.
Стрим дейді, Дебрюйне бар ма дейді, Дебрюйне. Короче, телефон берсе да,
Mancini.
жоқ адам өз жағында не.
That is ended up in no man's land.
Маяқта онша адам жоқ мен компьютер берсе
Has a look and has a go. Ruben Dias. And Mendes.
Рука.
And they're not going to make any further progress now. That is good alertness. Well, that looks a decent ball.
Foram indicados 2 minutos
Yeah.
de compensação.
And the finish! João Palhinha. Nuno Mendes. Vitinha. And he's managed to get free. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Decent enough try.
Cristiano.
The referee brings the first half to a close. How would you review the first half?
Portugal were desperate for the half-time whistle. A regroup and a rethink is imperative to rescue this.
Caros espectadores, vamos desejar os parabéns a todos os sócios e adeptos do clube que estejam hoje mais no aniversário do seu casamento.
Рахмет.
Parabéns a todos.
Санат деген екен. Санат кеттің. Yok деген Санат. Онлайн. Atrás.
Está a acontecer uma substituição.
Азы podcast. Oynalmaysa онлайн.
It's the start of the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial. Footballing with usually
Fires from distance. So he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card.
Ол басқа екі түрлі изет тастап қойған. Біреу тірікшілік пен біреу тірікшілікке тастады.
Ол қалай тірікшілік айтайын жош?
Yeah, that works for me. The denial of movement, blunt and brusque.
Chiesa. Pellegrini. And now the hit! Denied by an instinctive save.
Pellegrini actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
FIFA'da var ya.
Belts one. And that is wildly off target.
Italy just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Vitinha. Oh, it's come loose. Nuno Mendes. Here's Rafael Leao. And they win it back again. That has been cut short. That's a foul, no two ways about it.
Yukarıda bakışlar.
Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Vitinha. No way through. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. Well, there is a look that says it all. A piercing stare.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Vitinha.
Este jogo tem
That
mais
defending is
assistências de 71
unapologetically
minutos.
persistent. It's almost personal. And it had to be. Fratesi. And he cuts out the supply. Deftly done. Pellegrini. Fratesi. Nicely weighted ball. He has found the way through. Chance! Oh, so close to what would have been a memorable goal.
Oh, after such a great run, I'm expecting him to go all the way, and instead, he just lost his way.
Törtmedi o da. Nomede törtmedi.
No way through, so back it comes. Real chance!
Nomede.
They are rampant!
FIFA'da.
And the lead is 3! It is surely done! Terrible error, duly punished. Italy find a position of real strength now. Portugal couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. And he's picked out the run. Just the keeper to beat! Oh, he's burst through.
Şunu atılmak kanegimiz var.
He's had it nicked away.
Hocam ekip kalmadı. Sağ ol.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
Ruben Dias is there and he can get that clear. Vitinha, now it's Pedro Neto. And he was alert to it. Plays it from a quarterback position. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Look at the space here. Bernardo Silva!
Au.
And somehow he's managed to miss it.
Oh, look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked the harder thing to do.
Kırışma.
Gets his pass away. Great ball, and he's in here. Half an hour gone in the second half. Rafael Leao. He's in, shot at goal! Vitinha!
Karış pas bol oldu. Kayseri'de tiz var mı?
Oh, red.
Look,
Nice interception. João Palhinha. Oh, that's well spotted. Vitinha. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Mancini.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Skims one in. Scamacca has found the net here, of course. Italy have a free kick.
Sostał Slavinius.
Ja, pasta oyna.
Zajestuję.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. And he's hit it long, but astray.
Öyle istiyorsan. Neyse. Al.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Telefonumuzu.
Italy looking to pass down. Scamacca! And for sure, that was not one of his best.
Oj, okej, vad som będzie?
João Cancelo. Now it's Pedro Neto.
Vamos ter 3 minutos de compensação.
Aimed beyond the defence. That's a fabulous ball. And he's in on goal. And the shot! Goal! Surely now they are
Oh,
well
Torres
and
is doing-
truly out of sight.
Ayarlıksız.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here.
Tamam, tabii.
Oh, well played, well sorted out.
Canım böyle.
And that's it. Portugal have very little in the way of excuses here. Simply having no answer to a display that was stunning, scintillating. There was to be only one outcome. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Well, the surprise for me was seeing a team look so feeble in what is usually a strongly protected area. But the centre of their defence looked open and very, very unsafe.
Evet.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin. That's all we have time for. Good evening to you.
Vardır. Bak işte böyle. Stop Pointer King maçı oynattı.
Been on the edge, but I'll get mine. Build up the empire, I'm setting out to define. Build up the new kind, should have invested the first time. Should have invested the first time. Should have invested the first time. River now with a flow that can never run out, of course. Move with an unknown source. I'm a cow, I'm in a kujana force. Nataka 2 round of applause. Only ever watch I could doors. Any statements, stay on your toes. Nakujaku pave, mentally aid myself and the ones when I kwang and I door. Been time they won't let me be free. Damn done with that pain to go deep. On the borderline rage, you know I don't. Already know what to be the antidote.
Biz.
Last time I broke through medical. First place I was in by far. But you think I'm gonna get it all, I get it all, I get it with a meaning of beginning and beating an OP. It is the beginning of an I-Lot-G. River now running over moving in threes. To the far east on the borderline. Been far less tears, but I still cry. I've been on the edge, but I'll get mine. Build up the empire.
Ronaldo. Telefonum attı yine. Telefonum akıyor. Değil bu an çıkır. Matheus Nunes var.
Matheus Nunes or nega Bruno Fernandes sürmenizi? Ya oynamayın mesela bence. Bu ben ne bekledim mi? Na zamin kayıp sinedik.
Bastım bu ara. Öpüydü o. Al. Bir de bas.
Tam turgan ballar çıksa. kichkina yaxshi bo'ldi.
Match degan qaysi nomi? Unaqa emas. Nomi prostoy match bo'lib qolma. Adamni o'ynayotganmi? Yekisini shutdingmi? Atla o'tir. Bizni yana ket telefon topib qo'ylar. O'rnak biz telefon. Telefon topib qo'y. Qiyamay bo'lyapti.
Well, here comes a crunch game. So much depends on this. Expectation and nerve.
Telefonimiz o'rniga
It is
tavozan.
indeed a heady mix. And we have in front of us this
Brazil.
gloriously imposing arena.
Oh.
Absolutely perfect for a game of this nature.
Bilmayman. Bosla.
So off we go then. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. He won't be happy with that one. Gets his pass away. Gabriel promptly onto that, and that is that. Joao Felix. Vitinha. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Bruno Fernandes has impressed me a lot. I mean, a few years ago, he was the highest scoring midfielder in Europe with 33 goals in all comps. And we aren't even talking about his assists. His record of direct goal involvement is quite phenomenal.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. Joao Felix. Out to the left it goes. Cleared away. And that's been one straight, terrible pass.
Ölmedi odar. Hayzıdır.
He's away. He's one-on-one.
Odar benim. Sorayım
Cleared without complication. Bruno Fernandes. That's an excellent interception. Fires from distance. That has ended up in no man's land. Bruno Fernandes in with the challenge. Now it's Richarlison, somewhat off target. Spread it left. Neymar. That's the throw.
Neden gol olur? Özbekistan mı?
Joao Felix. Joao Felix!
Ama o da uzun.
Oh, he's managed to get it all wrong.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
That could spell trouble.
Portugal could really be more watertight in midfield. Not a trickle is getting through.
Still goalless at the moment. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And it's Neymar. Vitinha, deftly done. He could be in here.
Look, it's a run defence is dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
Very nearly half an hour gone here. Great run on the overlap here.
That's positional gold, the utilisation of space.
There's the hit! Goal! Brazil! And Brazil take the lead. Just gorgeous, the most glorious, delicious of touches.
Devam
Followed up
edemiz.
with an unerring
Korkmaymiz.
finish.
Korkmaymiz.
Brazil take the lead.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Tá com essa, tá cansado.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure. This is what good chemistry is all about.
Good read, needed to be. Well, that is one way to stop him. Over to the left. Joao Felix. And he's managed to get free. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. Bernardo Silva. Well, they're looking at the referee, but he's waved play on. Bruno Guimaraes. Neymar in acres of space out wide. Oh no, that was never going to make it. Now it's Bernardo Silva. He's shifting through the gears here. Now the finish! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Bruno Fernandes did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Not the best distribution from the keeper. Bruno Guimaraes.
Gördün mü onu?
Muscular approach does pay off here.
Sonunu sana.
Vitinha. And it's Cancelo. Pass is just off target. Bruno Guimaraes.
Oh.
Speculative strike. Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. Well, a very decent watch up to now, but just the one goal so far. It has been competitive and combative throughout.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence, and not rush into mistakes.
Here we go again.
Well, it seems like the perfect situation for fortune favouring the brave. 45 minutes to pack in enough risk-taking to get this match turned around. It's very doable.
Danilo. Bruno Guimaraes. Gabriel. To Marquinhos. Bruno Guimaraes. Gabriel. Neymar. And here's Neymar. That is good alertness. Oh, he's found some space here. Bernardo Silva. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Neymar. Richarlison. Well, the ball just didn't work out for the run that he made.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Neymar. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Portugal still chasing a one-goal deficit here. And it's lofted through here. No, that's been intercepted. That's a sweet ball, that. He has found the way through. They're urging him to shoot. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes! Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different. Rafinha. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Look, they may be one down, but they're not shying away
time is on their side and they're set on using it. Now it's Rafinha. Ruben Neves. And he's intervened well there. Played out towards the right wing.
Well, the manager must be thinking to himself whether he's got a game changer on that bench, and he needs to act quickly.
He's found the way through. Can he finish? He's scored! 2 up now, and they are cruising. And that was as close to certain as can be.
Well, he makes finishing look like a matter of fact. Why take extra touches?
Brazil get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Danilo. And it's Danilo. Rafinha. João Felix. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Rafinha.
Argentina alıyor mu?
Played to Danilo. No way through. João Felix. Here's a shot. Cristiano Ronaldo! Dispatched clinically. And he is away. The launch of a brand new hero.
And how about the timing of the pass and run? They've worked it before and no doubt they'll work it again.
This is threat. João Felix! Yes!
João Felix.
And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that.
Yeah,
You either
no,
have it
no,
or
no.
you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
This has become one superb game of football.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here. Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for the...
Oh my God, it's my fault.
Oh, Brazil!
It's my fault.
Into the lead once more. And it has to be said, an absolute gift. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Oh, it was a long time coming, but I think it's fully merited. They've applied themselves extremely well.
He's got plenty of space out wide here.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
A searching ball that into space. He expected better, and so did he. 4 extra minutes added on. Now it's Bernardo Silva. Interesting ball. Neymar is in a really good position out wide. Whatever he had in mind, that was not it. Ball is over the line.
Yeah, I'm not.
And that's definitely not his best. Vitinha, nicely weighted ball. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And that is the end of it. They hung on right till the finish. Portugal perhaps feeling a little aggrieved with this final score. They clearly feel that their effort...
Kimono, Nagoy'du. No, bu kalma taslı kalma ne no?
İki maç oynadık mı? Maç oynadık. Bırakalım başlıklarında koymuş. Aldı.
Hangisi? Ben ne kadar
Asgari bir Ya. Hadi bakalım çıkıp bize vurma.
Argentina. Ishim yo'q ko'rayotgan. Kim ko'ryapti najada? Asqar ko'ryaptimi? Kulchi xira yo'ldosh. Ezgin ishi bor, yo'ldosh.
You got somebody who loves you. You got somebody who loves you. Baby, you and me, we got chemistry. Call it alchemy, call it what you want. I don't know what I believe in, but what a time we're living and breathing. And I got a feeling that we're here for the same thing. Wake me up.
Auto select qilib kerakda. Ozcan. No, trenerin o'z talabini ilojini trener qo'yib yuboradi. Ronaldo o'yladi. Elbow защитник kerak mana. Francis Conceição. Best press motor. Thank you for attention.
And so we reach the final qualification lap. It is so crucial for those looking to take the club to the next level, a step closer to being a part of the big business. A big performance, that's what's needed here, and the loyal following is assembled, doing its best to be the wind beneath their wings. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. The action has already started. Now, what about a counter-attack? He's looking wide. Pedro Neto, he's shifting through the gears here. Too long, and over the line. There's a sharp little ball here. He's found a way through. To Kolu! Goal! Turkey! And Turkey take the lead.
Wow, Turkey United.
Perfect placement. The one place the keeper couldn't reach.
No other outcome there. That was bang in the corner. Unstoppable.
Portugal trail at this early stage. Can he put it away? Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Ball is over the line.
Donald attempts.
And he was quick to react. Ruben Dias. gets rid without sophistication. And it's gone back to the keeper. Portugal are already chasing the game. Long time to go.
Well, whatever was said in that dressing room before kick-off surely can't have caused this. The application has to rise.
He's got away. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. And no, that was never going to make it. And the counter is on. Oh, that's fabulous. And the finish! And that is doing no harm at all.
Turkey were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Turkiya Yevroda Turkiya qayta o'ynaymiz, sut o'ynab o'tiribdi.
Pressing's intense and it's paid off. Distributed tidily. He's picked his way through. Ruben Neves did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. And he's going to be disappointed with that. Thinks one through. The less said about that pass, the better. And here's Çalhanoğlu. He's got full. And oh, he's got that completely wrong.
Well, we were anticipating this. They're very much set up for the counter-attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper. He's given it away. Speculative strike. Yilmaz. Short changes him with that pass. Just no time to dwell on the ball there. They've managed to get it away.
Portugal are really in a position where patience and prudence will serve them best. Time's on their side.
Pinches it off him. Now that looks a decent ball. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside.
Menimcha turib qarshilashimiz yaxshi o'ynab turibdi. Yaqin o'rtada unday qarshilashma o'ynamadim.
João Cancelo.
Oh, no.
Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
That's a good ball played into space.
Have beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Aim forwards. Now it's Bernardo Silva. There really wasn't very much in that. Not far away from being a telling final ball.
Portugal clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one.
Shapes to shoot! No mistake! 2 up and threatening to pull clear!
Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
Turkey grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest.
Pedro Neto! Yes, and he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
Portugal get themselves back into contention.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
Çalhanoğlu takes control of it and he's on the move. Stood up well to him there. Plays a delicate ball. Oh, that's well spotted. Hoisted upfield by the keeper. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Not the most accurate pass. Now he's off and running. And there's the end of the first half. So half-time, no shortage of action and talking points at both ends of the field. 3 goals to light up the crowd, and a fair reflection of the territorial state of play, with the half-time scoreline 2-1. It is quite a game, breathless and laced with excitement.
Well, it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised.
It's a foul, it's in the box, it's a penalty.
Penalty.
And he could not have picked a worse time to give one away. To increase the lead.
Аяғының тұрсынан мәні пенальти басқа бір өтеп тұрды. Келеші еді. Шапасы, так, қақа тапсырасың, қақа. О, my god. Қате басып алды.
A time for a cool head, and that is precisely what he showed.
You could feel the tension as he stepped up to take that, but it didn't bother him, and he tucked it away perfectly.
Turkey take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
Listen, it's up to them now how they...
Now the finish! Oh, split-second reaction.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Turkey with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. And he's taking no chances there. Yilmaz! He can pounce on that! They are
Келеші үшінші гол.
And the lead is 3! It is surely done!
Ақырымыз қол.
Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
Clinical, just clinical. He's got the shot away! Great football, shot and save.
Spirited to say the least. Certainly gave this crowd something to really cheer about.
Away from immediate danger. There's the hit!
Çıkıp жасатман. Türkiye yo'larini qildi.
They are well and truly out of sight.
Portugaliyani qarab ketdi.
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control and couldn't have placed it any better.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in. Look, they've had their chance to regroup and rethink. Now they've got to stir a revival.
Now it's Pedro Neto. Oh, that's a fine interception. Can he spark a counter here? Back to Kolu. Shade too heavy. Who could pick that up? Cristiano Ronaldo. In with the challenge. Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick. And it's Cancelo. Francisco Conceição. Oh, super goal! Pedro Neto! He's put his foot right through that one.
Portugal are showing good urgency, but they have to place more emphasis on service into the box.
Pedro Neto!
And
he's hit it too high.
Well, that's a sign that he clearly feels the need to take it upon himself to try and get his side back into this.
Well, they've got it again. Looking for options for movement. He's shifting through the gears. Shot a goal! Brought out the best in the keeper.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Turkey can start a counter here. Now that's well seen too. Yilmaz aims beyond the defence. Oh, nice touch. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, what a mistake! Oh, it's Bruno Fernandes. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Steered out wide, but he won't reach that one. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Played back in. And that's been won straight back. Could move up a gear here. It's a throw-in.
Böyle
Está a proceder-se a uma substituição.
Qanday jarmandaşlık mı?
That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Looking for the run. He can run onto that. They're back in possession and ready to go again. The referee has just said play on. That has been cut short. Yildiz. So what can they make of this? Crunching tackle. Oh, it's come loose. Big chance!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Not too much more here than seeing out time, and time is very nearly seen out. Foul and a free kick in a very dangerous area.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to
Bruno tańcz
prevent a
ħadja,
goal
Bruno
there.
twończna.
This the perfect chance to extend the
Arda Güler.
advantage. He's shaping up to have a crack from here.
Соперник топ балон ашып кетсе, соперник.
Vamos dar lugar a uma substituição.
Kametsi! Oh, he's hit the bar! And he seemed certain to get the sixth. Not the best distribution from the keeper. That has been slung wide. And it's lofted through here. Well read, nice interception. Muldur. 5 minutes to add. Good running, strong and purposeful. Oh, nicely intercepted. Whatever he had in mind, that was not it. Good spot, he's seen the run. He's had a hit! And that has left him in a heap. And that will be the final act. So that is it, the end of the road. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Bruno gaan zeggen dat we gewonnen. Ya bozma ne oyunun korkma ne? Challenge file tutayım ben. Pasaremos a Özbekistan.
Standing right here, facing my fears, yeah. My soul screaming, don't you fall, oh no. I keep chasing, you keep running away. You don't see me at all, oh no. But you don't know, no. You think you do, you don't know how it feels, babe. You don't know. You think you do, you don't.
Davetler koptu.
Stuck on my mind. Get back. Assuming how I feel.
Ne yapıyorsun? Yeni жoksa. Çıkıp beraber oynayalım. Adam жокса. Adam az var. Müzik.
Believe what you wanna see, and you think you're free from it. Deep in your reality, but unfortunately you're far from it. Oh, well, I'm just trying at the comedy. Since you find it funny, the land of milk and money flows. Yeah, while you're sitting pretty in a trance. Looking through your shades with a critical gaze, and man, I hope this is a phase.
So what a sight this is. Another edition of this proud competition, just seemingly bigger and better still. Faces, of course, have come and gone, but some things never change. Those first day feelings, new hopes, new expectations, and the belief that maybe, just maybe, this time it will be your turn. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely perfect for a game of this nature. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. It's a pretty loose pass. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Yeah, I'm not sure that words can do this fella justice, Peter. Lionel Messi is one of the all-time greats, that's for sure. A fantastic dribbler with a killer eye for a pass, and obviously a lethal finisher too. Everyone knows what he's capable of, but stopping him's a very different matter. This opposition defence will not be looking forward to this one, I can assure you.
I think the opposition defence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. Gets his head to it! He will be livid with himself. Messi.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
The most accurate pass. He'll try from distance. A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Neymar. He's going to be disappointed with that. Interesting ball. Aims beyond the defence. Look at the space here. Richarlison was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Forwards and with intent. Martinez showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Neymar. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. Fiddles it through. He's picked his way through. Can he finish? Goal! Argentina! That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
Argentina have their opener. It is a goal of real significance.
I think for them to get their noses in front away from home is brilliant, but these home fans will demand a response.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
And that's definitely not his best. That's a throw. It's a poor throw that, picked off with relative ease. Now it's Messi. And he's away. Oh, taken with style. Oh, offside.
Yeah, the assistant did have his flag up. The referee seemed to spot it late, though. Nevertheless, the right decision.
A moment's uncertainty there, but it is the right call. Bruno Guimaraes. Messi proving dependable as ever. Another terrific day at the office for him.
Well, not only can a player of such high calibre show the imagination to set up a goal, but he can also produce when the pressure's on to deliver a big moment. This guy was born to create.
Passes coming off in quick succession here. Now it's Messi. Looking for the run. Played into the middle. Oh, well played, well played. Flings in across. Brilliantly cut out. Neymar. Molina is the guilty party there. And that's going to be a booking. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. He's looking to set free a runner. Gets his pass away. He's found a way through. That is a little undercooked. He's gone for goal! It's loose now and they want to get it back.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Has a look and has a go. Oh, that is very close.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
Fernandez. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Oh, no joy this time. Neymar. Passing is crisp and sharp. It's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. And here's Messi. Now it's Neymar. Richarlison. And he was quick to react. Acuna. Rafinha. That is good alertness. Oh, good spread. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. The ball is there to clear. And the half-time whistle goes. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break, 1-0.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Argentina, whistle's gone, that's foul. This looks like a more than decent chance to strike. Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Richarlison. And Rafinha. No way through there. De Paul. He's a sharp little ball here. It's Maradona! He can pounce on that. That was superb goalkeeping.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that. Well, the moans and groans from the stands now are very audible.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
That's been cut out, well played. Oh no, that was never going to make it. He's looking wide. Threads one in. Messi, he has found the way through.
Argentina making a fresh attempt to release someone in behind from back to front, and this is something different.
Now that looks a decent ball. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Brazil clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Spread it left. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. And the goalkeeper's got a good palm to that. Here come Brazil on the counter. It's a promising position. He's shifting through the gears here. Good read, needed to be.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Spot on, Peter.
Martinez! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Molina promptly onto that, and that is that. Played into space. Richarlison. That is a great pick out. There really wasn't very much in that. Not far. He's had a shot! That could spell, and the follow-up. He scores! 2 to the good. They have breathing space. Well, was he ever going to miss that? Of course he wasn't.
Peter, that was just a defensive act of generosity that was always going to have a painful ending.
Argentina get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. And it's Messi. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. That's a good ball out wide.
There they go, hunting again.
Strong challenge, but well within the laws. And he cuts out the supply. He's in space and looking for options. Defence has got rid of that. Brazil get it back again. Brazil couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. Works it forward. Rafinha. Neither of these two want to come off second best. Marquinhos kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. Rafinha has it out wide and in space. Oh, it's played into the area. Leading by 2, and the finishing line in sight. Well timed, excellent interception. Gabriel cuts it out. Moved on forwards. That is ended up in no man's land. Fires from distance. And no one is overly concerned about that. Oh, it's a sweet ball, that. Maradona unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. And Martinez! Now, who's going to be first to this? Now it's Richarlison, played out to the right.
This is the time you need that pace.
Marquinhos makes the interception. And that's that. They needed to win, and they have won. It is a triumph. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
With all the feelings I hold so close, I
So it is that time again. Every team looks to write its own special script. Moments like this are to be savoured. Hopes are high. A good start. That is what they all want. Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself.
And already we're underway here.
Well, someone I'm really looking forward to seeing is one of a kind, El Diego. The word legend is badly overused in our world, Peter, but he qualifies with room to spare. An absolute genius.
Just watching the guy play is a thrill. He's so different, just brilliantly different.
Can beat teams pretty much on his own.
Whatever he had in mind, that was not it. De Paul. Messi is in a really good position out wide. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Brazil clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
Chance here to counter. Oh, that's fabulous. Maradona. A lot of space at shot at goal! And it's a crossfield ball towards the other flank. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. A couple of decent early chances. It bodes well for an exciting game. Danilo. Done delicately. Danilo. Played into the middle. And a header! Goal! Brazil! And Brazil take the lead. Simple, certain, effective. He just guided it in.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth and a ghost-like arrival to get his head to the ball.
Gol de Brasil, convertido en el minuto 16. Número 9.
Brazil take the lead.
Yeah, and just as the manager's been reminding his players, this is the time where they can't afford to let their folk...
Real chance! And a second time! And he has kept it out somehow!
Maradona really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Argentina with the corner, they're first. Out of play for a throw. Bit too much weight on the pass. To Paul! We've got a goal! A game of thrills, all square in the blinking of an eye!
Well, if ever you want to see a lesson in responding to a deficit, that's it. Their heads didn't drop, and now their chins are up.
Well, there was to be no other outcome. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal. They just got caught napping.
Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair. And that's surely a foul. Free kick. Fernandez. That's been cut out, well played. Danilo. Danilo takes control of it and he's on the move. Now it's Richarlison. Great chance! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, you get a sense, Peter, that he could almost get to anything today.
Stood up well to him there. Messi. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Long ball by the goalkeeper. And it's Danilo. Aims beyond the defence. Danilo just loves to go forward whenever he can. He has found the way through. Danilo. It's a sweet ball, that. Perez promptly onto that, and that is that. Messi will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. Played back in. Oh, good spread. Danilo looks to clip it forward. And he's gone looking for safety. Gabriel calmly anticipates. Well timed, excellent interception. Messi. Gabriel did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest. And Martinez! Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
Well, that's confidence for you. Distance doesn't even bother him.
And he's intervened well there. Clears it out of harm's way. Acuna cuts it out. No, that's been intercepted. And that has left him in a heap. Played into space out wide. And he's cut it out. We are into stoppage time.
Yeah, they were looking for a counter-attack.
He is through here. Messi. And the shot! Oh, it's come loose. Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. A pretty decent watch this, and each side has contributed in equal part. A couple of very good goals for the crowd to enjoy, and a game which is right on the edge. At half-time, it's one each. Reflections on the first half?
Well, we thought this would be close, Peter, and it's proving us right so far. They're well matched, and it presents a fascinating battle of wits to see who'll emerge on top or otherwise.
That's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. And so we're off again. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. Gabriel kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. And here's Maradona. Rafinha, who's set up one goal so far. Fernandez. McAllister. Good running, strong. He's tried one! And kept out by the most elastic of saves.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
No, he's not getting his way this time.
өзінің истиннен.
Molina gets across to intercept that. Not the most accurate pass.
ойнағанда реал футболдағысын истинне оққан.
Not getting too much time on the ball here. That is good pressing. Oh, Red, nice interception. Bruno Guimaraes. Neither of these two want to come off second best. Looking for options for movement. Works it forward. It's a pretty loose pass. Now it's Martinez. Back on the ball again. Oh, the shot could be on here. He's looking wide.
Martinez.
Neymar. McAllister.
La cantidad de espectadores de este partido.
Question, that's a foul.
898.
Laid out to the left flank. Short changes him with that pass.
Well, you would hope for some movement off the bench, Peter, knowing you get an extra sub in extra time.
Fiddles it through. Maradona! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Maradona is offering a wry smile there.
Messi. And the shot!
Oh, Lautaro Martinez.
They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Ağzındasın o
Oh, what a touch. I mean, how good was that? Poetry in motion.
Argentina take the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
Now it's Maradona. He's in plenty of space here. Can he finish?
Messi.
That's it! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. And that really is so impressive.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
Argentina go 2 up and into a position of real strength.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you,
Massive leap! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
that's a real disappointment as well, after he worked so hard to just get into position and get on the end of that in the first place. A lot of effort for very little reward.
He was quick to react. And it's Neymar. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. And here's Neymar. Now that looks a decent ball. And no, that was never going to make it. And they'll start all over again with the goalkeeper. Half an hour gone in the second half. Argentina have scored 2 quick goals here and are firmly in control at 3-1. Romero kept his eye on it, and he's there. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. It's come through, and he's had a quick look inside. He's got away. Richarlison! And that is certainly not what he had in mind.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Maradona. He's a sharp little ball here. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Well, that's well seen too. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Now it's Rafinha. And back it goes. Good spot, he's seen the run. But it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Marquinhos gets a foot in here. Rafinha. Pass somewhat off target. Interesting ball.
2 minutos de compensación.
Pass is coming off in quick succession here. De Paul. And there goes the final whistle. Argentina can celebrate now. They have exactly what they craved. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Well, it's pretty clear that there was a solid game plan in place for what was a very high-pressure game. I think it shows great maturity on the part of the players, and it